Not even the rain stopped my son. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. He's running in the rain. And I tell him, let's go to the gym. I said, nope, I wanna run on the street. So not even raining stopped him. Look at this. It's dedicated. Look at that. Raining. 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 Look at that. Hard work.
Dedication.
That's right. Three miles. Running, but running. That. Love it. Love it.
Huh?
I'm saying love it. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. He say, nope, Papi, I'm gonna go running. I don't care if it's raining or not. And I told him, let's go to the gym. I said, nope, I want to run in the rain. So it's good. You know. That's where he at. Hard work and dedication. That's it. That's the way it is. Trust me, he will be a world champ one day. He's dedicated. He don't party. He don't do nothing. He's always home. He trains. He go home. That's it. Dedicated. How was that run, buddy?
Good, good.
Huh? Good work. It's about hard work and dedication. That's it. Discipline.